So as you can see, we are here in my wallet, okay, and it has zero balance. Okay, so first of all we find our transaction, Bitcoin live transaction, and the first link. Okay, we will find transaction from here. It must be under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, the transaction must be under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, and yeah, as you can see, it's under the 0.07 BTC, and it's a 0.05225996. Okay, so we're gonna confirm this transaction in the wallet. Okay, we just need a hash ID. We can copy from here, copy to clipboard, or maybe we can copy from here. Okay, so this is the wallet. Right click, go to inspect, wait for a few seconds. And click to console. Okay, scroll up, and there's some warning. You must need to read that this browser feature is intended for developers. If someone told you to copy something here, it will give them extra money. Okay, it is a scam and will give them to extra money. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet. Okay, or if you're using old blockchain wallet, you must have zero balance. Okay, you must have zero balance in the wallet. So yeah, I'm using my own code, so I don't need to worry about this, but yeah, you must need to read this. Okay, after you read this, clear everything from here. Okay, then paste your script here, select all, copy your script, merge that, and paste it over here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here. Here's our hash ID. You can copy from here. Okay, copy to clipboard and just paste it over here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yeah, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK. Close everything from here. Okay, and just refresh the balances. Refresh the balances to see the magic. So as you can see here, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the time. Sorry, date. Today's date in Pakistan. Okay, it's Tuesday, 4 August 2026. I'm scrolling up and down because of the watermark that's showing on the screen. Okay, and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video. So let's refresh to see this. And BTC rates fluctuate sometimes, as you know, BTC rates so high. So yeah, it's fluctuate up and down. So don't be worried about some dollar or issue. Okay, yeah, it's not confirmed. Yeah, but it will confirm very soon. So yeah, and this is the channel. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye. See you in the next